Everyone, today I'm sharing the last project for Lindy's game of 2018. I'm very happy to be able to share so much fun with all of you, and I hope you enjoyed this last project of the year. It is an outer photo frame, which we can use it through the year because it is not too festive, but we are going to make it very vintage and very elegant. You can use any kind of photo frame that you like or you pick up from the second-hand store. Just remember to pick a size that you are comfortable to work on. Now we are starting to add metal embellishment on it. We can use some no longer use hair accessory or earrings on it, just to make sure that do not put too much on it that photo frame that cannot stand. Make sure to check it before you finalize. I'm adding just a little bit texture paste with Annabelle Graphite. It is very beautiful texture and I do not want to overdone it, so it is just on the several area of the whole piece. I have painted the whole surface in black gesso. You may wonder why in black color, because it is not for Halloween. Why black? Because in black surface the Lindy Skin Starburst will show more beautifully in my own opinion. First I'm going to use the Alpine Ice Rose. This is one of my favorite colors and it has very beautiful gold shimmer inside the paint color. I'm also using the Grab a Guy Gold and Gammy with a spoon gray here. Gold and silver colors both are very beautiful shimmer, and also it adds so much deep and just some sense of vintage into the color space. Now I'm using the Vinyl Brow icing paste. It is the vintage gold color. I use it to blend in with the Lindy Skin spray and also add some smooth texture into the whole surface. After that, we whip it to use some more pink color on the surface and then add more icing paste to more layers. Now I'm going to use the Lindy Skin embossing powder. I always use glycerin because it works on surface very well and it gives some kind of texture and it is very affordable. Now we need to use some gesso to highlight several areas to make the whole piece not too dark or too sharp in the colors. As the final touch, I'm using the Tiffany Blue, which is one of the most beautiful colors in Lindy's game spray, to just highlight several areas. And after adding the Finnerbell wax and some glitter, we're good to go. And then we can add some of the purples as you like, if you want to make it a little bit more New Year. I really hope you enjoyed this project and it will inspire you to make something fun. Thank you very much for supporting Lindy's, and thank you very much for watching my videos. See you again. Bye bye.